What do we call the special meal that Jesus had with his disciples? The Last Supper. What did the bread and wine represent? Jesus' body and blood. What was the name of the disciple that would betray Jesus? Judas. How many times would Peter deny knowing Jesus? 3 times. What was the name of the Roman governor? Pilate. What did Jesus say just before he died? It is finished. What was the name of the lady who found the empty tomb? Mary Magdalene. What was the name of the 2 disciples that came to see the empty tomb? Peter and John. Mary was upset and thought she was talking to the gardener. Who was it? Jesus. What did Jesus' death on the cross mean for you and me? That our sins, all of the bad stuff, is forgiven.